This week I'm going to teach you how to DJ without actually using any DJ decks. First off, you're going to need a way to play your track. Okay, it's playing, but it's a bit quiet. Let's sort that out. That's much better. What if you don't want to start your track from the beginning of the track? You will need a way to fast forward your track. Now we need a way to set the new beginning point or the new cue point of the track. You can use the cue button to do this. Now, when you are mixing one track into the next, you're going to need a way to get rid of certain parts of the track, such as the highs, the mids, and the lows. What happens if you want to just quickly filter out all of the highs or quickly filter out all of the lows? You can use the filter button at the bottom. Awesome, so that's the basics of the first track. All we need now is a second track. DJing is all about having one track playing and then bringing in a second track seamlessly while getting rid of the first track that was playing. For the rest of this demonstration, I'm going to refer to this as track A and this as track B. So you'll start with one track playing. Press play on track A. We are now going to bring in a song from track B. Set the cue point of track B to a part of the song with a prominent beat. Turn down the highs and the mids on track B and bring the volume right down. Begin to tap along to the beat of track A using the cue point. When you feel confident that you are tapping along to the beat properly, press play. You should now have two tracks playing at exactly the same speed to the same beat. Slowly bring up the volume of track B. When you can hear two tracks playing at the same time, begin to filter out track A while bringing in the filters from track B. That is the absolute basics of DJing without using any DJ decks.